Good morning, children. Today we will study about the factors that have enabled globalization. So what are the factors which have enabled the globalization? The globalization we have already studied. First is the technology has enabled the globalization. How technology has enabled the globalization? That we will study now. A rapid improvement in technology has been one major factor that has stimulated the globalization process. So because of the rapid improvement in the technology, the globalization process has been stimulated. For instance, the past 5 years there has been several improvement in the transportation technology. So we have seen improvement in the transportation technology. This had made faster delivery of goods across the distance possible at lower cost. Because of this, there has been a faster delivery of goods across the longer distance and at a very possible cost or very lower cost. Even more remarkable has been the development of information and communication technology. We have also seen that the information and communication technology has developed remarkably. In recent times, technology in the areas of telecommunication, computers, internet has been changing rapidly. So recently we have seen that there is a great change of technology in the area of telecommunication, computers, internet, and also in the other fields. Telecommunication facilitates communication facilities are used to control one another around the world, to access information instantly, and to communicate from remote areas. So telecommunication facilities, that is the telegraph, telephone, mobile, fax, etc., it is very much used to contact one person around the world, one person contact one another around the world, so that they can easily interchange their ideas with each other, and even in the remote areas people can communicate through the process of telecommunication. This has been facilitated by a satellite communication device. So satellite communication device has been used. Very famous is the mobile device, by which we can communicate with people even in the remote areas. This as you would be aware, computer has now enabled almost every field of activities. You might have also ventured into the amazing world of internet. So computer has been are being used in every field, and internet is also has become the essential of the people, so that they can communicate throughout the world. On the internet you can obtain the shared information on almost anything you want to know. Internet also allows us to send instant electronic email and talk across the world at negligible cost. So internet is used for various purposes, that is to send the electronic mail and also to talk with the people around the world at a very less cost. Now you can see that there has been the spread of the information technology throughout the world, and IT has become very important process in the process of globalization. Information technology has been used very much, and then information and communication technology has played a major role in spreading the production of services. So production of services has been increased because of the information and communication technology. And using IT in the globalization, information technology has been used in the globalization process, so as to develop the process of communication, so that it becomes very easy for people to communicate with each other. Even in the banking system has changed through the internet, and it is called e-banking, where the money is transferred through the electronic medium. You can transfer the money anywhere throughout the world. It is very important for the people to understand all these things, so that they can easily communicate with each other, and also they can use the production process companies are using, MNCs are using.